to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. Before I get into the hairstyle, I just wanted to finish the giveaway because last video that I uploaded, I told you guys that I'm doing a giveaway. Actually, the video before that, I told you guys that I was doing a giveaway and I'm going to announce it in this video. So I just wanted to get it over with at the beginning and we can get into the hairstyle. But first of all, I wanted to say thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, for being a part of the channel, for being an active watcher, commenter, liking the videos. I really appreciate it. I really never thought I would get to 10k by now because it took forever to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm surprised that it took this short amount of time to get 10,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate it. I'm assuming most of you who are watching actually they're subscribers. If you're not subscribed, if you haven't guys, then please subscribe so that we can get to 20k. The winner for this blow dryer is, drumroll please, I'm not going to say her name. I don't want to say it because I'm sure I'm going to butcher it, so I leave your name right here. You are the winner. Okay, the reason I chose her as the winner is because guys, she has been subscribed to my channel. I don't know, I don't even remember when, but it was way before I even got 1,000 subscribers. And from what I've seen, every video, almost every video I've uploaded, she's left a comment, just saying something, either I like it, I'll try it, just something, some kind of feedback, and I truly appreciate that, and I appreciate you. And that being said, she's not the only one. I've had so many people who've been there with me since the beginning and who've been so active and so awesome, and I truly appreciate them too. Even for the silent watchers, the ones who never say anything, I appreciate you too. It would be nice, if we just got to know each other a little bit, but I truly appreciate that. And now that we got to 10k, I'm just giving away one. When we get to 20k, I'll try to give away 2 things, and it will actually be helpful. If you see me doing something on the channel or reviewing something on the channel and you think that you'd like to get that for the 20k subscribers, then make sure you leave a comment on that video so that I have an idea of what you guys want for the giveaway for the 20k subscribers. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for staying active, and thank you for sharing the videos. I truly appreciate it, and I truly appreciate you. And I am floored, honestly, for the appreciation that a lot of you guys have for my work, and the amount of fun I'm having doing this is just, I don't know, I feel so good when I make videos, to be honest. Sometimes it can be, sometimes I get oh my god, I'm so tired and all those things, but I still have so much fun creating videos, doing my hairstyle, and I love watching you guys' responses to my work. So thank you for being a part of my life for this past 1 year, and I hope we continue to be together for many more years as the channel grows, as I grow as a person, and as you're growing in your life. I hope we continue to share those moments together. Thank you guys. Okay, I feel I've talked so much. Let's get into the video so you guys can see how I did this hairstyle. Okay guys, so getting into the video, I started with my hair that was stretched from the blow dry video that I did. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to check it out. It was basically the video of me reviewing that blow dry that I'm giving away. So I divided my hair into 2 halves, and then I went and divided each of those halves into 2. So I'm going to have 4 braids, inverted braids in total. Thanks, Lana. So 4 inverted braids in total, and then I am going to just put away all the hair as much as possible to try and make these braids as neat as possible, or cornrows. Some people call them cornrows. So I'm going in with this shine and jam. That's what it's called. I usually call it shine jam. Not sure why. I never see the N, but I'm just using that to make sure that I don't have flyaways, and I try to get all the little hairs into the braid or the cornrow, and it also just helps the hair hold into place, and it also kind of looks shiny, as the name says. So I like using it. This is my 2nd time or 3rd time using it, and I actually really like it. So I'm starting at the beginning of the cornrow, or inverted braid. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I like the name. I'm starting at the beginning without adding any extension, and then I'm just going in and adding the extension. So what I did is I basically divided the extension into 3 sections, but then I ended up only using 2, and let's just watch and you'll see how I do it.
So after adding the first one and I made sure that it's secure and I braided like a few times, I went in and added the second one, as you can see right now. And as you can see here, like my first braid was me learning. I realized that it didn't work out. Like when you're adding the braid, make sure you're doing it like at this point where like the leg does not have an extension to it. That's the perfect time to add in more hair extensions. So that's what I realized. So this is like literally like the first one that I did and me learning from my mistakes. Yeah. Guys, to be honest, I'll just like be real with you. It was a hassle. Seriously, it was a hassle for me to do like the first three because I could not get a hang of it. And as you can see, I'm trying to add hair again and it's like almost impossible. And one thing that I actually realized, if I added the hair at this point, it was going to be such a long braid at the end. So what I decided is to basically go in and just cut it in half. And so for all the 4 braids, when I got at the bottom there, I took a section of this half that I basically split. And I added it, and so the braids were not too long. Obviously, if you want yours to be long, then go on ahead and do that. And if you want your braids to be thicker, then you should definitely use more hair. Oh, by the way, when I cut them, I made sure I pull the ends so that they're not like, it's not like a blunt cut. It's more like stretched out as the rest of the hair was. I didn't even use like a specific brand of hair. I usually have like random packs of hair in my house and some that I opened because I used for other styles. So I just usually go back and use them again. But if you want braiding hair, I'll leave a link down below on Amazon where you can check it out. So the first one, like I said, was a struggle. The second one was a struggle too. This third one, I got a hang of it. And this is now I'm going to like basically slow it down a little bit so you can see how I'm doing it, because this was the last one and we had no choice. We had to get a hang of it. So this is how I do the braid, if you're wondering. By the way, this is real time, so this is how slow I do it. So if you're still learning or you know how to do it, like, girl, just take your time. Take your time, there's no rush. As you can see, adding the first extension was not hard for me. That was pretty easy. It was like adding the extension after that got a little bit hard for me. But one thing that I actually learned is to keep the hair extensions separate, so you won't have to separate them with your fingers as you're braiding, because the hair gets really tangled and it's extremely annoying, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going in to add my second section, but remember to add it to the leg where there's no hair extension, as you can see right here. So it's easy to just start braiding it and carrying it along. And I'm also making sure not to mix in the braiding hair together. So be careful of that, because you'll have a huge tangled mess. And even if you do continue braiding it with a huge tangled mess, it's going to be a hassle. So be careful of that. At this point, I think I have it together. So I think the next time I do it, it's definitely going to be much easier. It's just that this was the first time that I was doing it and it was a little bit challenging. And some of you guys were always wondering, no, things don't come easy for me too. Like, they really do not. I learn just as you guys are learning. And most of the videos that I upload, actually almost all of the videos that I upload are usually just me doing it for the first time, and I struggle, I make mistakes. And sometimes when I really mess up things, because sometimes I do finish and I'm just like, what the hell did I just do? Because it looks like I don't know, like a bird's nest or something on my head. So in those cases I usually redo it again, but otherwise I usually just do them for the first time, and I struggle probably just as much as you guys. Hair has taught me so much patience. You have no idea. Like, I remember there were times where I'd try to do something and I'd get so frustrated, And then I look at myself in the mirror and I really want to just have a pity party and cry. But I don't have those moments anymore. Nowadays, usually when I fail, I'm just like, okay, it's a fail. I'll try again tomorrow, or I'll try again later, kind of thing. Final touches, adding my earrings. Like, I love this earring, although one of like the little comb thing broke, and I'm still rocking it. I don't care. So this is what it looks like. I added the gold thread for all of them. You don't need to do that. Like I said, I'm going to make a band and I want my little band to be accessorized. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to thumbs it up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and have a lovely week. I will see you guys on Thursday.